Welcome, in front of me I have VIVO V20 and today I will show you a couple camera tricks. So at the first I will talk about the features that you can find in the settings, and after that I'll show you the tricks and tips that you can use in the normal modes like photo, video or any other additional that you can find in the more modes. So as I said before, let's start from the settings, and as you can see when we are here at the first, we can turn on or turn off the shutter sound. Right now I turn it off and take a look. There's no sound when you take a photo. You can also get it back by enable this option, so we can decide what you want to get. We can also add location to the photos, so when you tap on the switcher and then enable permission, that will pop on the screen. I just did it, so right now I don't have that notification. And also when you enable location on your smartphone, when you take a photo, for example like this one, and when you go for the details of that photo, let's go here, there we can find the details. You will get the exact location where the photo was taken. Okay, when you scroll down, we can also enable the timer for the 3, 5 or 10 seconds. Let's go for the 3 seconds. Right now when you try to take a photo, when you press the shutter button, after a few seconds the photo will be taken. Right now let's go back and turn it off. We can also enable the grid lines on the screen, and the grid lines help us to take a better composition on the photos. As you can see right now, the line appears on the screen. So if you want to put something inside, I mean in the middle on your photo, with these lines it will be definitely easier, as you can see on this photo. What we got here or more, we can find the shutter option. So when we enable the touch shutter, you can tap on the screen whenever you want and the photo will be taken. So you don't have to press shutter here. You can decide what you want to get, which option you want to use. I'm going to turn it off because I don't like this option honestly, but maybe in your case it will be useful. Here we can also add the watermark to the photos and videos. When we enable the switchers for the time and the model watermark, take a look. When I take a photo, in this place in the left bottom corner we can find the mark and the date. Right now let's go back here, and here we can also find the professional functions, so we can apply histogram on the pro mode, for example. Okay, right now let's go back, and when you are in the photo mode, we can quickly change the brightness level by tapping on the screen and then moving this sun icon like that. As you can see, that's how we can make it. So you can decide if it's too bright, you can change it like that and then take a photo, and as you can see, that's how it changed. Okay, and also we can apply filters to the photos. So here we are with the ready filters that we can quickly get on the photos. Take a look how it changed. Wow, this one looks cool. So you don't have to download any external application, you can make it straight from your phone camera application. And here we can also find the portrait light effects, but of course you have to take photo of someone because it's on the portrait, right? Okay, let's turn it off. And the same thing about the brightness you can make in the video mode and in any other mode, just like that. Here we can find the night, portrait or photo mode. So honestly, there's very common modes, so I'm not going to talk about that. But in the more modes we can find, for example, the pro mode. As you can see in the pro mode, we can adjust EV, ISO, shutter speed, white balance and AF manually, and here is also a histogram that we activate on the settings. If you don't know how to use the pro mode, you can check our other video on our channel, because here is the full tutorial about that mode. We can also take 48 megapixel photo. So let me just focus maybe on this plant. I will take photo like that, so we have to catch focus, and after that you can simply press the shutter. And right now I'm going to take the same photo but without that mode, and you will see the difference. Okay, so take a look right now. I'm going to zoom in and it looks like that. Not bad, but take a look on the first one. Right now we can zoom in much closer and we get also more details on the photos. So that's the useful mode. Definitely. Here when we are in the slow mode or in the time lapse, we cannot change the length of that. But here we can change the speed. So for example, we can go for the 15x, 13, 60, 120, 240, 40 and 80. I mean 480 and 960. So there we got also the description that the last option is good for the moving stars in the night sky. The 15x is good for the fast traffic. You can also go for the auto speed. You can decide what you want to capture and choose option, for example, for the moving clouds. And after that you have to tap on the shutter and the time-lapse video will be taken. So I think that's all tricks that you can use in that phone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and of course subscribe to our channel.